This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of woodcraft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. Wood decor has always been loved for its warmth, durability, and natural aesthetic, but what many people don't realize is how incredibly profitable it can be when transformed into simple, beautiful craft pieces. Whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or someone already building a small woodworking business, wooden decor projects offer some of the highest return on investment because they are inexpensive to make, quick to produce, and always in demand. Buyers appreciate handmade quality, especially when it comes to pieces that elevate their home environment with charm, simplicity, and personality. Today, we explore wooden decor ideas that sell fast, earn consistently, and help creators turn skill into income. Wooden decor has a timeless appeal because people instinctively connect with natural textures. When you craft decor pieces that feel authentic, carefully shaped, and visually balanced, you tap into a market that constantly seeks unique and handmade items. The beauty of this niche is that you don't need expensive machinery or advanced woodworking skills. Many high-selling wooden decor ideas can be crafted with basic tools, simple cuts, and minimal materials, making them perfect for anyone looking to generate reliable income. One of the strongest sellers in the wooden decor world is minimalist wall art. Clean geometric shapes, mountain silhouettes, moon phases, or abstract line designs cut from plywood or reclaimed boards continue to dominate home decor trends. These pieces require only accurate tracing and smooth finishing, yet they attract excellent prices due to their modern aesthetic. With variations in stain color, layering techniques, and unique patterns, you can create entire collections that appeal to different tastes, increasing your opportunities for repeat customers. Another category that consistently earns high profits is tabletop decor items such as candle holders, mini shelves, photo stands, or abstract sculptures. These pieces are small but deeply expressive, allowing you to use even leftover scrap wood to generate income. Buyers appreciate items that serve both decorative and functional purposes, and tabletop decor offers exactly that. With simple sanding, intentional shaping, and a polished finish, you can turn small pieces of wood into stylish accents that people want for coffee tables, office desks, or entryway displays. A particularly strong market exists for personalized decor. Custom name signs, family plaques, nursery wall pieces, wooden initials, and engraved message blocks all attract buyers willing to pay premium prices. Personalization transforms a simple piece of wood into a meaningful gift for weddings, baby showers, anniversaries, and holidays. Because these items carry emotional value, customers often prioritize quality over cost, giving you an easy opportunity to raise your pricing without affecting demand. By offering multiple font styles, stain colors, and shape options, your brand becomes known for its versatility and creativity. Equally profitable are seasonal wooden decor pieces, which surge in demand during key times of the year. Wooden pumpkins, snowflakes, heart-shaped decor, and rustic holiday ornaments are simple to produce in batches, making them ideal for efficient production and high-volume sales. Seasonal decor sells especially well through craft fairs, online markets, and social media shops because buyers love to refresh their living spaces with festive, handcrafted pieces. With each shift in the calendar, you gain another income wave that keeps your craft business active and thriving. Wooden shelves and organizers also remain top sellers, particularly in the modern home design market. Floating shelves, corner shelves, spice racks, mini crate shelves, and wall-mounted organizers are incredibly practical, making them easy for buyers to justify purchasing. People appreciate decor that also increases order and functionality in their homes. With simple assembly and a clean finish, you can produce stylish storage solutions that blend perfectly with contemporary decor trends, allowing you to command higher prices. Another incredibly profitable idea is wooden centerpiece decor, such as rustic trays, floral stands, candle bases, and decorative wooden risers. These items immediately enhance dining tables, kitchen counters, or living room setups, making them highly attractive to homeowners and interior decorators. Because they require straightforward cuts and finishes, you can achieve a high profit margin with minimal production time. Offering these in sets or themed collections such as farmhouse, boho, rustic, or Scandinavian styles helps your brand feel cohesive and encourages customers to purchase multiple items at once. Wooden nature-inspired decor, such as leaves, tree silhouettes, animal figures, or botanical carvings, remains popular due to its organic charm. Modern interior styles often blend natural themes with neutral tones, and wooden pieces fit perfectly into this aesthetic. Even simple cutout silhouettes with gentle sanding and a natural stain can attract buyers who want earthy, calming decor for their living spaces. These pieces are lightweight, easy to produce in various sizes, and ideal for online shipping, giving you more flexibility in where and how you sell. For those wanting to expand into slightly larger items, wooden benches, plant stands, and wall hooks continue to be excellent sellers. They require basic construction techniques yet deliver strong profit returns because buyers value both function and craftsmanship. Plant stands, in particular, have seen a surge in popularity due to the rising interest in indoor gardening and natural home aesthetics. A well-made wooden plant stand, even with a simple design, can sell for several times the cost of materials. Whether you choose to focus on small crafts or scale up to medium-sized decor pieces, the real secret behind earning big is presenting your items with consistency and style. Smooth surfaces, clean edges, elegant finishing, and cohesive branding elevate your craft from simple handmade objects to professional quality decor. Buyers notice these details, and they're willing to pay more for items that feel refined and intentional. With each piece you create, you build not just a product, but also a reputation, and that reputation becomes one of your most valuable tools for long-term income. High-profit wooden decor succeeds because it strikes the perfect balance between simplicity, charm, and timeless design. Customers love the warmth of natural wood, and when you transform it into clean, thoughtful decor pieces, you instantly tap into a market that values authenticity and handcrafted quality. What makes this niche especially profitable is that many of the best-selling items require minimal materials, basic tools, and very little production time, yet they command premium prices due to their handmade appeal. One of the strongest categories is minimalist wall decor, geometric patterns, abstract lines, moon phases, and nature silhouettes. These designs look modern and artistic while being incredibly easy to produce. With just a few sheets of plywood, careful cutting, and smooth sanding, you can create elegant art pieces that consistently sell well in online shops and home decor markets. Changing stain colors or layering boards adds variety, encouraging customers to return for matching sets. Small wooden tabletop decorations also bring strong income because they use scrap wood effectively. Candle stands, mini risers, photo holders, wooden orbs, and abstract sculptures are simple to craft but stylish enough to fit into nearly any home design theme. These pieces appeal to buyers who want affordable accents with a handmade touch. Personalized decor remains a powerhouse for profit. Wooden name signs, nursery plaques, engraved quotes, and custom initials sell year-round because they make perfect gifts for weddings, birthdays, and celebrations. Buyers naturally place higher value on anything personalized, allowing you to increase pricing without reducing demand. Seasonal decor, pumpkins, hearts, snowflakes, stars, and festive ornaments, creates predictable income waves throughout the year. These pieces are simple to batch produce and always popular during holidays. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.